My name's Alex Voudouris, and I'm a lawyer with Pace Law Firm. I've been a lawyer for 29 years. For the first 18 years of my career, I was a defense lawyer representing insurance companies. And now I'm a plaintiff lawyer representing injured accident victims. I specialize in personal injury law, namely tort actions involving all kinds of personal injury, slip and falls, motor vehicle accidents, LTD claims, CPP claims, and accident benefits. With regard to personal injury, many of my clients are catastrophically or significantly impaired, and that's from day one. They need immediate assistance, they need immediate comfort, they immediately need to know that someone is dealing with their claim, all the legal aspects with the insurance company, with sometimes even the police, and that's what we do. We take over immediately. And I tell the clients to worry about themselves, to try and get better, to listen to their doctors, of course, while I'll be dealing with the law. That's my job. Their job is to try and get better and to continue to live their lives as best as they can. Of course, there's massive interaction. Once someone is discharged from a hospital, for example, OHIP coverage almost inevitably and quickly falls away. They need assistive devices at home. They need a ramp to get up to their home. They need modified bathrooms so they can shower and go to the bathroom. These are tragic accidents, terrible injuries that need a quick response. And we do that right off the bat, right away. We're ready for them. We conduct an in-home assessment while they're still in the hospital. We get everything planned out. We get approvals for funding from the insurance company. And when they go home, their home is already modified. The ramps are in place. The assistive devices are in place. The personal support workers are ready to take over and to assist them in the transition and to care for them, to bathe them, to shower them, to feed them. I mean, it all depends on the level of injury, but that happens right away, and it never stops until their need goes away. Sometimes, regrettably, their need never goes away. So on a client service level, one has to get to know the client immediately. Usually that also involves getting to know the family members, their spouses, their friends. One has to open up to them. A lawyer has to be always accessible to these clients. They all have my cell phone number. They can call me any time of day or night. They have my email address. They have my assistants' phone numbers and their email addresses, and we are fully and completely accessible. Clients do call me any time of day or night. They need things. They need the PSW doesn't show up. Their family members have to go back into the hospital. They need transportation. There may be an issue with the service provider. All of this has to be dealt with continuously on a constant basis. And what really ends up happening in many cases is, you start to really like these people. You start to really feel for them. I think empathy is a very important aspect of being a personal injury lawyer, but it's legitimate, and you end up being friends with these people. You end up living to the extent that you can vicariously their issues, and you end up fighting even harder for them because you care, and it really matters to you, and it matters to your staff, and that's what we're here for, is to try and make a difference.